Hello guys, welcome to another video from our Driving TV channel. Here's CDL combination exam number 2. Here you'll find questions and answers to study from and best prepare you for that examination. For part 1, check out our channel. If this was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe for more educational videos. Thank you and best of luck to you. Combination exam number 2. The front trailer supports are up and the trailer is resting on the tractor. Make sure both answers are correct. There is enough clearance between the tops of the tractor tires and the nose of the trailer, and there is enough clearance between the tractor frame and the landing gear. You are coupling a tractor to a semi-trailer and have backed up but are not under it. What should you hook up before backing under? The emergency and service airlines. Before you back under a trailer, make sure the air brakes are off. On a double or triple vehicle, which wheels off track the most? The rear wheels of the last trailer. Which statement best illustrates the crack the whip effect? When making a quick lane change or sudden movement of the steering wheel, the rear trailer tends to swing out. The force of the rear trailer becomes amplified, causing it to roll over. To test the tractor protection valve, charging the trailer air brake system, turn off the engine and step on and off the brake pedal several times. Which of the following vehicles off-tracks the most? A 5-axle tractor towing a 52-foot trailer. Almost half of all truck driver deaths are the results of rollovers. At night, when a vehicle is carrying a load that extends 4 feet or more beyond the rear of the body, there must be at the extreme end of the load. Red lights. In normal driving, some drivers use the hand valve before applying the brake pedal to prevent a jackknife. Which of these statements is true? It should not be done. You should not back a tractor under a trailer until the whole air system is at normal pressure. After you supply air to the trailer, make sure the air lines are not crossed and the trailer brakes are working. This can be done by applying and releasing the trailer brakes and listening for brake sounds. What is the safest way for you to make a turn without entering another traffic lane? You should turn wide as you complete the turn. Even before anti-lock braking systems, ABS, were required, some vehicles already had them. How can you check if your vehicle has ABS? Look under the vehicle for the ECU and wheel speed sensor wires coming from the back of the brakes. What is the emergency airline? Airlines that control the emergency brakes on combination vehicles. You're uncoupling a trailer. After you shut off the trailer air supply and lock the trailer brakes, you should back up gently to ease pressure on the fifth wheel locking jaws. A tractor with a trailer requires the shortest amount of stopping distance. Fully loaded. The tractor protection valve will close and the trailer brakes will come on when there is a major leak in the brake line. Parking brakes. You have a major leak in the service line and you put on the brakes. Service air pressure will escape and cause the trailer emergency spring emergencies to come on. Semi-trailers made before 1975 that are equipped with air brakes often do not have spring brakes. How much space should be between the apron and the fifth wheel after coupling? None. On a trailer, where is the yellow anti-lock brake, ABS, malfunction lamp located? On the front left or rear left corner. What are the other names for the service airline? Control line and signal line. You should not back a tractor under a trailer until the whole air system is at normal pressure. Air and electrical lines from the tractor to the trailer should be secured but with enough slack for turns. Which of these statements is true? Bobtail tractors can take longer to stop than a combination vehicle loaded to the maximum gross weight. Which part of the king pin should the locking jaws close around? The shank. Under good driving conditions, you should leave at least 1 second of space between your vehicle and the vehicle ahead of every feet of your vehicle's length. 10 feet. You supply air to the trailer tanks by pushing in the trailer air supply control. When you get ready to back under the semi-trailer, you should line up directly in front of the trailer. Airlines on a combination vehicle are often color-coded to keep them from getting mixed up. The emergency line is, the service line is, emergency line is red, and the service line is blue. Low underneath clearance vehicles can be risky at railroad crossings because they are more likely to get stuck on raised railroad crossings. After you have coupled the trailer, you should start to raise the landing gear by using low gear. At what angle do you hold your airline glad hands when connecting them? (90°). If you do not do the final air brake check for air leaks and fix them before driving, you could lose your brakes while driving. Which type of truck-trailer combination has the greatest chance of a crack the whip rollover? A tractor pulling 3 trailers. Compared with a straight truck or bus, there are things to inspect in combination vehicles. More things. If the trailer has anti-lock brakes ABS, but the tractor doesn't, the trailer is still less likely to swing out. The safety catch for the fifth wheel locking lever must be for a coupling to be completed. Over the locking lever. To drive a triple combination vehicle, you must have a Class A CDL with a doubles triples endorsement. Low underneath clearance vehicles can be risky at railroad crossings because they are more likely to get stuck on raised railroad crossings. To test the tractor protection valve, charging the trailer air brake system, turn off the engine and step on and off the brake pedal several times. Under good driving conditions, you should leave at least 1 second of space between your vehicle and the vehicle ahead for every feet of your vehicle's length. 10 feet. If you do not do the final air brake check for air leaks and fix them before driving, you could lose your brakes while driving. What is a tractor jackknife? When you lock up the drive tires on the tractor and the tractor spins out sideways as the trailer continues to push forward. A tractor with a trailer requires the shortest amount of stopping distance. Fully loaded. Air and electrical lines from the tractor to the trailer should be secured but with enough slack for turns. You should use shocks when parking a trailer without spring brakes because if the air supply leaks away, there will be no brakes.